Now we're going to make salmon nigiri. So the key really is the rice. So I made the rice in a Japanese rice cooker. And I put the right amount of rice vinegar in. And you just got to roll the rice like a bird, right? What I mean by that is you hold it in your hand, soft enough and firm enough so that you don't kill it and it doesn't get away.
Oh.
So, and then you put a little indentation in the middle. Put a little wasabi.
Not too much.
Not too much because, you know, just because. And you put the salmon on and you give it a little nice little, put it on the plate.
Doesn't that
And you
look
use water and vinegar to keep your hands clean and to help roll the rice. So you just take a little rice. The Japanese say it should be 100 grains every time. You know how the Japanese are, they're perfectionists. So this right here should be 100 grains of rice.
Have you counted them?
Ain't no way, because like it's all over my hand. I mean, come on. So
Do it like an Italian.
little indentation.
Brecci.
A little indentation, a little wasabi. And the salmon. Roll the salmon in, squeeze it a little bit, roll it in. Put it on the plate. And then you get your next one. Your hands back into the water and the rice vinegar so that everything's clean. Japanese love cleanliness. They are perfectionists.
You should have been Japanese.
Roll a piece of rice. I could find a
I'm
nice
turning
Japanese
Japanese.
woman.
I think I'm turning Japanese. I really think so.
Yeah, something like that. Put the salmon on, give it a little tug, tighten it up a little bit, put it on the plate. Again, with the vinegar and the water. Make sure you don't have too much water on your hands because when you go for the rice, it'll get all mushy and wet. And then I pull out exactly 100 grains of rice.
Exactly, because you've counted them.
Treat it like a little birdie.
With the bionic vision.
Put a little indentation in the middle. A little wasabi. Not enough to kill anybody. Put the salmon on top. Squeeze it a little bit so the salmon sticks. Put it on the plate. Hands in the water again. Keep everything clean. Don't put too much water on your hands.
Looks like we have one more. Who's going to get the extra piece?
Oh, that would be you because you are the birthday girl. You are the birthday girl. Wasabi, not too much. The salmon again. And this is the fun part. So we're gonna make seared salmon this time. You know, usually I would just put some stuff on the top and serve it like that, but this time we're gonna make seared salmon.
The torch comes out.
So this is the torch. Sear it a little bit. Sear it a little bit on top. Gives it more flavor, I think. It brings out the fatty flavor, I think. And plus it's just cool.
Man likes to play with his torch.
Exactly. So then, I'll put a little glaze on here. Just to make it look pretty, and it's got a nice little flavor to it too, the glaze. Put the glaze on. Okay. So then, this is the special secret sauce that I make.
The brecci sauce.
It's very Italian. It's got a lot of garlic and some other things, Italian parsley and some other things.
But it is
Put that on the top.
so good.
Just put a little bit of that on the top. And it Brings out the flavor of the fish like you wouldn't believe.
Mmm.
It's all about the garlic, right? There you go.
Woohoo!
Seared salmon.
Yummy. Can't wait.